My name is Dr. Colby Peters, founder of Human Systems. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the Human Systems emotion wheels and talk a little bit about how they work. I didn't invent the concept of an emotion wheel, I just reimagined it based on the latest research on how we make emotions. I'm going to show you how the emotion wheels work using the Emotion Wheel 3 and one of my personal experiences. When I watched my son at his elementary school graduation, I experienced many emotions, both comfortable and uncomfortable. I like to use those words instead of positive and negative because all emotions have valuable information. Uncomfortable emotions might make us feel bad, but they are just as important as comfortable emotions for improving our self-awareness. On the uncomfortable side of Emotion Wheel 3, I start in the center to determine the primary category of my emotion, which in this case was sad. In that pie slice, I look for the word in the lighter colored area that best captures my experience and feelings, and I would say bereft. If I'm not sure what that word means, I look up the definition online to see if it fits, and bereft indicates a loss of some kind, which fits for me because I feel sad that my son is growing up and that I will never be able to be with him again at this age or when he was younger. I can also look further to the two more specific words related to bereft, disconsolate, and inconsolable, to see if either of those fits even better. I'm going to stick with bereft because the other words indicate an extreme level of feelings of loss, and mine were milder. If bereft didn't fully capture my uncomfortable feelings, then I could look in the other pie slices, but in this case it does, so I can move on to comfortable emotions. I could also just peruse all the emotions in the outer and middle rings of the wheel to see if any fit. On the comfortable emotion side of the wheel, I'm going to start with the loving category because that is the strongest feeling for me. I feel grateful that he has had such wonderful support at his school and humbled that he has grown into such a lovely person. I also feel gratified because he has done so well. I also have emotions in the confident category. I feel optimistic and hopeful for his future, and I feel proud of both of us. In the excited category, I feel delighted at the lovely ceremony that the school has put on. I feel thrilled when he wins 2 awards. I feel moved when the students file into the room at the beginning of the ceremony. In the interested category, I feel curious about what my son will do next. So that's just a little bit on how you can use a Human Systems emotion wheel. I also created the Human Systems Emotion Wheel 1 for beginners with 34 emotions, and the Human Systems Emotion Wheel 2 for intermediate users with 44 emotions. You can use the link below to visit the Human Systems shop and purchase emotion wheels. You can contact Human Systems anytime with questions about the emotion wheels and other Human Systems tools. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.